Welcome to Autoresponder. First step, you need to log in your account. If you not yet created an account, you just need to open autoresponders.com. This is our website URL. You just need to open this URL. Now scroll down. You need to scroll down. In the footer area, here you will see this access point. Now you need to click on sign up and create your free account. Once you sign up, now click on the login with your user ID and password. The moment you will put your user ID and password, you will be landed on the dashboard. So let me click on the login and let me put the user ID and password. So I've already added my user ID and password. So in this video we cover all the features which are available on the dashboard. So this is basically dashboard. On the left hand side you will see multiple options, then right hand side we have, then in the middle section and below these two box we have other option. So we'll cover each and everything. Okay, so on the left side you will be able to see multiple features and we will cover all the features in upcoming videos. Okay, in this video we are going to cover this dashboard option. Okay, and in upcoming video we will cover all the option, all the features which are mentioned left hand side. Okay, so top right you will be able to see profile. So here you can see the profile. Okay, this is the profile. So this is the profile name. Okay, and then near this is the integration button, the icon. If you hover the mouse you will see that this is the integration. Okay, so then we have another option called leads. Okay, so here you can, if you click on this button, it will redirect you on the leads page, and then this is the add lead form. So here you can simply create your leads. Okay, so on the top side we see there are four options. One is the profile, then we have an integration, then we have a leads, and then we have a create a you can capture a lead via form. Okay, now in the middle here you can see in the middle, this is the lead information option, where you will see all the information related to the lead which you generated in this month. So here you can see this is the month of May. Okay, until now we have generated approx 188 leads, and today we generated only 2 leads. And active lead sources, if we talk about active lead sources, so 17 active lead sources are now active. Okay, if you go down here you will be able to see the lead value. So whatever lead you are generating, you are getting, you can track their lead value. You can check the converted lead value. You can see the projection and the not defined leads where the people or your team did not define any lead value. Okay, so this is the lead information. Here you can simply click and you can apply dates and you can check the data accordingly. So the previous month, if you wanted to see, simply click here and click on apply. So this is the previous month data. Previous month we generated only 11 leads. So in the okay, so we cover this part, leads information. Okay, now we'll talk about this lead projection. So in right we have a lead projection. So here you will see sales analytic, which is divided into 2 to 3 parts. So right now here you can see converted lead. So this is the converted lead and this is the projection. So these two things are reflecting, and this is for the current month. Okay, not for the previous month, this is for the current month. Okay, now we have another option called open and close lead count. So here you can see number of leads you receive and how many leads are open and how many leads are closed. So if I click, if I hover my mouse on this particular bar, so here you can see the open lead count is 187 and 2 leads are closed. Same with other. Here you can see 3 leads, here you can see 1 lead, here you can see 2 leads. Okay, so here you will be able to see the count of open lead and closed leads. If you scroll down, we also have a sales analytic. Okay, so what is the sales analytic? In upcoming video we will cover this, but for the timing I'm going to tell you the target analytic. Basically you can check the target of your sales team, like what they have achieved, what was their target. So in this account I don't have any sales team, but let me log into some different account and I'll show you what exactly I'm trying to say. So now I logged into different account, and here you will be able to see this target analytic. Okay, so now here you can see the select salesperson name. So you need to choose the salesperson name. So let's select the salesperson name Vishakha, and here you need to give the date range, so from 1st to 17, and then apply. So target analytic will give you the overview, like what was the target of the salesperson, this salesperson, the achieved target, and target is remaining target, and the target which is pending. If she will get this amount, then her salary will be justified. Okay, so this is the target analytic. In upcoming video we will talk in deep. Okay, then we also have a task management. So whatever task you have created and to your assigned to your team member, all tasks will reflect here. Tasks are divided into three different uh, categories. So pending, urgent, and high. Okay, how you can create the task, how you can assign the task, that we will cover in our upcoming video. Now we have another option called tags. So here you can see all the tags which I created in this particular account. Okay, you can see the demo, follow up, spam, ready to pay. Okay, so under this feature you will be able to track lead tags wise, uh, like how many leads are in demo and how many leads are in follow up. Basically you can create unlimited tag to track lead data as per your need. Okay guys, so uh, that's it from this video. In next video we will see the usage of marketing source. So this is the second feature, marketing source, we will cover in our next video. So thanks for watching.